There you go. Alright, so hi ladies and gentlemen, so we're live. And this session I'm just going to be quickly explaining what SaaS is. SaaS and what software as a service is. Okay, and I'm not going to talk too long. The main optimization and core reason for this video is for me to actually do a rank as SEO. I'm currently trying to rank for the keyword software as a service in South Africa. That's what I'm trying to rank for. Okay, and I've done my niche analysis already, and it looks like this. You'll see I've done a niche analysis, and that's why I'm recording this video. Now let's talk about software as a service. This is software as a service right here. This is a dashboard. Okay, this is my CRM that I manage, that I own, and that I help agencies use or business owners use. You can be a business owner, you can be an agency owner, you can be a real estate owner. It doesn't matter what business you're in, this system works for you. And the way this works is it can physically do anything, and I'll be talking about it too soon on Clubhouse. Best way to show you is as follows. In your opportunities section, you have this is a pipeline. You see these three stages are the levels of your pipeline. You as a business owner know how your sales process works, correct? So in theory, what you would do is come to your pipeline or settings, and you would just quickly create a new one as an example, and we'll call it test pipeline. And then in your first stage will be new lead acquired. That can be in any format. That could be via forms, surveys, however you get a lead, or however your business is optimized for lead grabbing. That is your first stage. I usually say a new lead acquired, and then I go added to campaign. Now I would give this a name, obviously the campaign, and then add a stage, lead replied. Oh no, sorry, I have a new lead. I added the lead to a campaign, and the campaign is essentially an email, and then the lead replied. And then another stage would be lead won or lead lost. Yeah, and then we'll go and just say save that, and then you'll see we have that's going to be in our pipeline now. Alright, but essentially this is how this would work. So you would come and under marketing go to campaigns. Let me activate one. Product, we'll use this one. No. Let me use Yachtmaster as one. No, we'll create a new campaign, just as an example. Call it my test. Select folder. Okay, we don't need a folder. We'll say save. And here's your campaign configuration tool. And what you do in here is you go put in the information saying I want this to come from the user, from myself, and from, if I'm sending this, it's going to be from Green Yaku Solutions, and it's going to come from my email. Lead value, if I had to get a client, how much would they be worth? Let's go call it $21. Okay, $20, and add a tag. We'll call it $30, whatever. We'll add a tag. We'll call this tag test, just as an example, so you can see what I mean. You create your own tags. Create a tag test. Allow for multiple. Correct. Event start date. You want this campaign to start firing now. Yeah, meaning it's going to run from now on in until you cancel it. And this will make a lot more sense in a second. And then you have add an event. This is the methods of marketing. Alright, I call it MOM. I'll write them an email. I'll come and pick a template that I've already designed. Okay, there's a template that I've already designed. Looks nice. It's got everything. It's got clicks in it. It's got everything that it needs inside of it. And then I'm going to go say save. And this must be sent immediately after someone's added to the campaign, and I'll add them as a draft or published. Okay, now we go to triggers. Underneath triggers, we'll come and do a test trigger. Okay, and this is what we can do with the test. This is amazing. This section here is we can go and say in the system, the CRM. Okay, I'm going to go choose. We're in a contact tag. Now, a contact tag is quite simple. When a tag is added, which tag? The test tag that we just designed. Add the person to a campaign. Which campaign? Test campaign. But now we can have more things happen. We want to add them to a update opportunity. Select the pipeline, my test pipeline. Select stage, new lead acquired, add it to campaign. That'll be the person's name, opportunity source, lead value will be 20 again. Lead status, open. Add another action, which be this one we can do. We can do send email, no. We'll just do that for now. Yeah, because essentially it's just a test campaign. I mean, you can do anything, literally. And then we'll come put this in the activate mode. We'll save it, and look what happens now. So let's recap. We've gone and created a template. We've got contacts. Obviously, here are our contacts. Okay. My big list of contacts. I'm going to go search for a contact now. Use myself as an example. There's chat@greenyardcrewsolutions.com. Let me just quickly check what my SMTP settings are. So company is Yacht Uni SMTP. Okay, it's fine. It's going to work. Go back to contact. Go search Chad. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Chad, and I'm going to add a tag to Chad. I'm going to call it test. See, we already have test. There it is. We've already made it. And I'm going to say add tag. Now look at this beautiful thing. This is essentially what growth hacking is. This is SaaS as a service. That then adds that person. Okay, well then obviously I get the email now. Let's go have a look at that. There it is. Okay. Nice and neat. Comes from Chad at greenyardcrewsolutions.com. And it is a full email. Okay, and then there's clicks inside. Let's go start click on that. Open link. Okay, I just want to show you open link calendar there. Just want to show you what the actual report looks like now as well. So there's 3 links essentially where I'm sending people. Okay, and we've got calendar, we've got booking forms, and now essentially what we want to do is come look at this. In the opportunity stage, we're going to go choose test pipeline, all test campaign. And there I am. Okay, I've filtered through the actual settings there and to find this person, which is me, and I'll come in there and you'll see there exactly what it says. Okay, you'll see even there's the 20 amount that we said, that's the intro to super yachting, is the actual campaign. And then in the campaign itself, which is even better, we'll come and look at the campaign, my test, you'll see that this is fired. Okay, 100% delivered or opened, 100% clicked, will show detail. Okay, and we'll go clicked. And here's the result. Here we can go see exactly this person clicked, opened, replied, bounced, and it works like a bomb. We can also go do attribution reporting in the reporting suite, but it's not necessary for right now. Source report, and we can go and say form, and there it tells you exactly who filled out what, who replied, who clicked a trigger link. She triggered 3 times. Yeah, that gives you absolutely everything you need to know. Very, very good. And that is software as a service essentially. Okay, this is one dashboard. Sorry, my computer is a bit slow. And yeah, I hope this makes sense. If you guys would like to know more, let me know.